Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all well. As you can see by the title, today I've created a look using the Blood Sugar palette by Jeffree Star. This is what it looks like. I believe this palette came out probably around 2 years ago now, which I can't believe. It's gone really quick. I've only used it a handful of times. It is one of my favorite palettes though. I wish I could just use it more often, which I think I might try to do from now on. I really love this palette. It's so beautiful. I'm really happy with the look that I created today. I really wanted to use this color I have on my lid, which is Prick. And I'll open the palette for you so you can see. It's actually like embossed into the shadow, if you know what I mean. This is the right way up. So it's just this one here. It has like a little needle, which is so cute. And there's a few other designs on here as well. So this is what the palette looks like. It's gorgeous colors. You can do some really creative looks and also a lot of wearable looks. Today I went for a very colorful look, I guess you could say, but I would wear this out. Like, I have to go grocery shopping later on, so you know, it doesn't really bother me. I do leave the house with makeup. I do leave the house in makeup like this, so doesn't faze me. The shadows are really good quality. They're very easy to blend, very pigmented, as you will see in this video. And yeah, I guess that's all I really have to say. Definitely get your hands on this palette if you're really into purples, reds and pinks, because I freaking love it, and I'm sure you will too. Yeah, so I hope you all enjoy this tutorial, and I guess let's just get started.
I can feel your energy pulsating down my spine. I am not the enemy. No need to run and hide. No. But as the night draws near, we are animals. The fear feels so cold inside my head. And as the sun comes up, we are always out of luck. There's no room for us here. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. Helps us break each other's hearts. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. Helps us break each other's hearts. It's a cold-blooded love. I can feel your energy pulsating down my spine. Oh, oh. I am not the enemy. No need to run and hide. No, no. But as the night draws near, we are animals of fear. Feel so cold inside my head. And as the sun comes up, we are always out of luck. There's no room for us here. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. Helps us break each other's hearts. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. Helps us break each other's hearts. It's a cold-blooded love. Break each other's hearts. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. Helps us break each other's hearts. 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 It's a cold-blooded love. I can feel your energy pulsating down my spine. Oh, oh. I am not the enemy. No need to run and hide. No, no. But as the night draws near, we are animals of fear. Feel so cold inside my head. And as the sun comes up, we are always out of luck. There's no room for us here. It's a cold-blooded.
Hey guys, so I'm back and this is the finished look. I am really happy with the way it came out. It's the first time I'm using the colour Prick and actually a few of the other colours as well. I've only used the Blood Sugar palette a handful of times. I actually created a look for my 29th birthday last year, which I really loved how that one came out. So I may do another one doing that later on down the track. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be notified of all my future videos. And I guess I'll see you all in the next video. Bye guys.